Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today for the Quick and Easy Meals collaboration. This collaboration is hosted by Simply Grace Lifestyle, Jean Home Decor and More, and me, Jennifer at Home. Tonight we're making very special sandwiches, our favorites. We're each going to make our very special favorite sandwich. I'm going to get busy cutting up these chicken tenders for my sandwich. I have the chicken tenders and I like to make them really thin. So I'm just going to cut down one direction and just sort of butterfly the chicken tender. And then I'll cut the other direction and just lay that over. So you have a really nice chicken tender. And then you see it has this tendon here. I'm just going to cut this right at the top and trim that right off. And now we have just a really nice piece of chicken, and I'm going to season this up and grill this in a skillet. I'll do a couple of these because my husband will definitely want one of these chicken sandwiches as well. And try to get it as nice and thin as you can, just like this. I'm going to be seasoning my chicken with some Trader Joe's ranch seasoning blend. You could use any type of seasoning that you like. I'm heating up some avocado oil in my skillet. I'll season both sides of the chicken. Because the chicken is nice and thin, it only takes minutes to cook. When the chicken reaches 165 degrees, it's done and ready to take out of the skillet. Now that our chicken is done, I'm just going to put the bread in the skillet. I'm going to toast this up in the oil. This is the olive oil that was in the skillet from the chicken. It'll get a really nice crusty crunch on it, just like a tasty, delicious crouton. So once the bread is toasted up, then we're going to put our cheese on and then our chicken. And you can put salad on this if you want, or lettuce. I usually make a side salad to have with this, but it's so delicious. I love the crunchiness of the bread. It's nice and soft on the inside, right here as you can see, but yet the outside is nice and toasty with a little bit of oil, just like a really great piece of toast. Is so delicious. Now that we have our cheese on our bread, we're just going to take our chicken and we're going to lay this right on top of this cheese, and we'll just put the top on just like this. And then we have a delicious little crunchy chicken sandwich that's so soft and tasty and so moist. The chicken is delicious, and the cheese will melt on here because the chicken is nice and warm, and so is the bread. So the cheese will melt and glue this whole thing together, and it's a wonderful little tasty sandwich. It's an absolutely delicious meal. It makes a really perfect lunch. I am so glad you were here. I had such a wonderful time sharing my favorite sandwich. It was really delicious, and my husband loves it too. I would be so happy if you come back next week and watch the Quick and Easy Meals collaboration again. Be sure to check out Jean and Anna's channels, and don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. And I'll see you next week.